Tickle, 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 tickle. Oh my goodness. You get the gumballs. You get the gumballs. There you go. Yeah, you did it. Push it a little harder. Push it a little harder. You can make them come all the way down. Uh-huh. What? Where's the gumball? Oh, you almost got it. Excuse me. What happened? Who did that? You did that. Oh my goodness. Do it again. Where's the gumball? Push harder. You can do that. There you go. Yay! Up! Yay! One gumball for Sarah Jane. Should we do 2 gumballs? Yeah, one for you and one for me. We can share. Ready? I see it. It's ready to go. Yeah. Get your arm up a little higher. A little higher. Where's my gumball? I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Hi. Yeah. Sarah Jane, you're gonna get another one? You're gonna push? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is that one for me? Now we reach our arm forward. Good girl. Yay! And let go. Oh.